Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I have the June 2025 Creative Notions subscription box. And this is a bi-monthly subscription and I purchased this myself. So let's take a look inside and see what's in here. And it always comes with a sheet that tells you about the subscription box. Welcome to our June edition of the Creative Notions subscription box. Get ready to fall head over heels for the delightful projects we handpicked for you. As summer bathes us in sunshine, these radiant sunflowers are gearing up for the grand debut. Carol Thielen wows us once more with the stunning sunflower quilt, Sunflower Serenade, bursting with yellows, greens, and browns. You'll be racing to finish this masterpiece before these golden blooms take center stage. And then there is also information on some other stuff. So let's see what's in here. Okay, this one is called Rainbow Burst Table Runner by Joy Wilcox. It's 13.5 by 40. And this is made with Moda mini charm squares. Open it up. And Moda charm squares are 2.5-inch squares. You can see these are solids, some beautiful rainbow colors. And then there is also, let's see, a half a yard of the background fabric, and which is this. It's a white. I'll show better pictures, but it's a white with a little bit of a print on it. And there's a half a yard of this for the background. And this is 1/4 of a yard of a solid pink that is for the binding. And this is going to be a super easy table runner to make. That is a cute project. Let's see. Then this was a piece of green that was short for the April project, which unfortunately I haven't made yet. So I'll put that with my April project. Country Popper. This is colored popcorn for a treat. Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. You can always use something like that. Let's see if I can get this open. Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. So it says just a drop is all it takes to remove oil, grease, paint, makeup, grass, clay, inks, blood, baby formula. Apply a small amount directly on the stain, thoroughly work it in, let it wait 5 to 10 minutes, and wash garment. I'll be trying this out. And let me see. Then there is our main big project. It comes in a bag, very nice. And this is the Garden of Sunshine, or it's Sunflower Serenade quilt. Yep, Sunflower Serenade. Beautiful. That is a cute quilt. Love the block. I'm going to have to make that. I like it. And it's going to be for a quilt that is 56 by 68, finished. Look at all these fabrics. Beautiful. What do we have? The brown. Look at that print. And there's 1 3/4 of that. The yellow, which is the same print, and there's 3/4 of a yard of that. The green, there's same print again, 5/8 of a yard. Then we have Oh, I think this was the yellow. This would have been the yellow, 3/4 of a yard. But this is the gold. Which is 3/4 of a yard also. And then we have this beautiful light brown. And that's the background fabric. There's 2 yards of that. Beautiful fabrics. That's a lot of fabric. And a fun quilt to make. So I look forward to that. There is also the Mystery Row, the 2025 Mystery Row Quilt Along. And it's showing that this is going to be the heart, the row of strawberry blocks. That looks like a little heart. That's cute. And then also a shoe fly row, which that's always a fun pattern. So that was also included. So this is a bi-monthly subscription. And I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in here. And then I'll take some pictures and show you a better look at everything that is in the subscription box. Thank you.